Attracted by the moving sand as the young turtles break surface, vultures have gathered all along the shore. The hole formed by the collapsing egg chamber makes it difficult for the little turtles to climb out. They're picked off by the vultures one by one. Faced with such an abundance of easy food, even the most voracious vulture becomes sated. One after another, the struggling young are dragged out and tossed aside. As the bird's appetite returns, a turtle is held underfoot while the great curved beak tears off the head and pecks out the entrails. The leathery carcasses remain uneaten, and soon the beach becomes littered with tiny bodies. Not all the young turtles are killed outright. This one is still alive. Stunned by its fall, it recovers consciousness and turns instinctively towards the sea, but with little chance of reaching it. These are coatimundis,